everyone, welcome to another live session. And today's live is again really exciting. This live session is for our campaign called Khayal Rakhna, which is a beautiful venture with Philips. PopExo and Philips has come together to talk about mental health awareness, mental well-being. It is a lovely initiative that talks about how we need to take care of ourselves and our loved ones during these tough times, and that is what we've been trying to do through various content that we've been putting out. And today's live is ultra special because we're going to be talking about food and how what we eat, it affects our mental health. So I have a very special guest with me today, and I'm going to invite him. Here I have a very amazing nutritionist with us, Digvijay Singh, and he's going to be here any second now. Hi, Digvijay.
Hey Anukriti, how are you?
I'm fine, but it is time to give your long list of introduction because,
Oh yeah.
oh my God, I love everything that you do. So for
Thank you so much.
people who are here on this live, Digvijay is a holistic health and wellness coach. He's a certified personal trainer. He's an animal flow instructor. He's a yoga and aerial yoga teacher. Wow. He's a nutrition coach. And the best part, your style of fitness mixes like modern day style with Ayurvedic nutrition, and that is honestly my favorite part. Your Instagram makes all these recipes and healthy living so accessible and easy to follow. I'm a huge fan, Digvijay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much for such a amazing, elaborate introduction.
Yeah,
It's
because like I've been following you on Instagram and I've been just reading everything. And
yeah,
honestly, I'm going to try a couple of things that you have shared because God knows I need help in the food department.
absolutely. I hope my content definitely helps you out. And also there are other good creators out there, so I'm sure there's a lot of information, good information out there. And yeah, I think so. This topic is so close to my heart.
Yeah,
As food is something which I love, and I think food can absolutely help you in everything, be it your health, be it in helping you with your diseases as well. Helping you out,
yeah.
and how it can go along with modern medicine and give you the benefits. So that's
Absolutely. I was reading somewhere what you put in your body absolutely reflects how you live your outside life. And I think that's something really that touched my heart, and I'm going to fix my eating habits. I'm going to actually just dive right into it. Like
okay.
how what we eat, at least for me, this is what I feel happens. It affects my mental health immediately. So if
Hmm.
I'm going through anxiety, I become a bottomless pit. मैं सब कुछ खा लेती हूँ जब मुझे
Yeah,
anxiety
okay.
हो रही होती है. Yeah, like I have no control whatsoever. So maybe
Okay.
we can start off with the connection between the two.
Yeah, I mean, see, when you talk about anxiety, depends कैसे होती है anxiety, right? If you talk about yourself, like in your case, what do you think? Why do you have anxiety? Is it due to your work? Is it due to your family? Is it due to your friends? Or a particular situation, right? So this is what you have to see. Okay, is it something situational or is it happening over the period of time, right?
Sure.
If it's something situational, okay, it can be worked on, right? But if it's something like, suppose, let's say you are eating something that is not making you feel nice, right? Suppose I go and eat a biscuit, right? And I like it, it is good. But when I binge on it, right, maybe then I feel bad. Then why did I eat it, right?
Yeah.
Or something like, let's say, like if you talk about your anxiety, like when you say, okay, I have anxiety, what do you mean in your case? Because it can be different for everyone, right? Sometimes it can be something which is ingrained in some person, or somebody is conditioned that way. Like when I have anxiety, I have to eat something, or this basically makes me feel good, so I need to eat
Yeah.
a certain thing. Let's say a processed food, right? Chips, or let's say
Yeah.
something which has sugar,
Absolutely.
right? Let's say
Yeah.
even something which is, let's say overeating, right? Even
Yeah.
healthy food, if you overeat, it's still not good, right? I can go and have jaggery, which is not processed, but if I
Yeah.
have a lot of it, it is still not good, right?
It's
So
not.
in your case, if you say anxiety, what do you mean? Okay, when you say, okay,
So
Yeah.
Basically what ends up happening is, of course, there's a big loss in control, right? So
Mm-hmm.
there are things that are happening throughout the day that I have no control over.
Okay.
So my kind of anxiety, restlessness, stress emerges from that, and I feel like extremely empty. So over the
Mm.
years I've figured out that filling myself physically with food kind of fills the void that I feel, but at the same time, when I make like a proper meal plan and everything, I feel so much in control and it works.
See,
So it's a
yeah,
double-edged sword.
absolutely, absolutely. You answered your own this thing question, right? It's basically when you say, okay, I am at home, right, and I have anxiety. Okay, I have anxiety. Food, if food makes you feel good, then why not? I'll go ahead and have a little bit of it, or maybe a little more, right? But that
Yeah,
depends. What are you having, right? If at home
yeah,
I'm only having processed food, that means the only
yeah,
option I have is processed food. So I'll go
yeah,
ahead and have it, right? And I have maybe a lot of it, right? Which is not good. So you need to figure out, okay, I need to keep some healthy snacks at home, right?
yeah,
And I need to plan my day, right? If you are not hungry, even if you have anxiety, you won't go and have something, right? If you're keeping yourself hydrated throughout the day, right? If you're eating your meals timely, that means you
yeah,
won't have really too much space to really eat something unhealthy, right?
yeah,
And
yeah,
if you are satiated, right, a lot of times, so when it's a very vast topic. So when you talk about, let's say, anxiety, there's certain things that also triggers it,
yeah,
right? Let's say I'm not feeling energetic. I eat something like a dark chocolate or let's say coffee,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
Now caffeine also causes anxiety. Caffeine on its own is great, but for
mm,
every person is different, right? Some people have jitters, which means, anxiety, they're feeling restlessness. But some people are good. Some people have it at night and they have a peaceful sleep. But some people can't really sleep for 1 or 2 hours, right, throughout the
yeah,
night, only because they had caffeine before sleeping, right?
yeah, true.
So it's with everyone. And sometimes we think that sugar, right? Let's talk about sugar, right? Now, sugar is
Yeah,
not bad. Even I say processed sugar is not bad if you have it once in a while and in moderation, correct?
mm,
If I say a Oreo biscuit makes you feel good, then go ahead and
mm,
have a Oreo biscuit. Nothing wrong with it,
yeah,
right?
yeah, true,
But when you have a lot of it, it's when it gets bad, right? Because
true.
end of the day, it is hurting, not hurting. It is basically, let's say you have a fitness goal, right? Or let's say
Yeah,
definitely everything has a repercussion, right? Your Now when you talk about sugar, right? Why I'm talking about sugar is basically most of the people that I like, my clients or people I work with or whom I talk to, right? They sometimes, and it's absolutely normal, right? We think that having sugar will definitely increase our energy, which is okay for a
yeah,
time, yes. But after that,
yeah,
it has a crash, right? Because processed sugar,
yeah,
no
yeah, of
fiber,
course.
right? No fiber,
Mhm.
sudden raise in your glucose, your blood glucose, and it goes down. So energy level goes up and then goes down. Then your body has to compensate by giving it some kind of stress hormone, which basically excites us, right? Like cortisol is a stress hormone, right? We have heard about stress hormone. My stress is going
Yeah,
up, right?
yeah,
Now throughout the day, cortisol is great and it's natural to
yeah,
have cortisol throughout the day because that is what will keep you active and awake, right?
yeah,
And at
yeah,
night, your cortisol goes down because you need to sleep, right?
of course,
So
of course.
sometimes what happens, your body basically when your sugar goes up and down, yeah. So your body, what it does is to compensate, it increases the stress hormone, right, which causes more anxiety. So for the time you're feeling good, but after that, when you have a lot of it, then you have a sudden crash, right?
Basically, too much of anything is bad.
Too much of anything is bad. There are certain good
Yeah,
things that you have too much is bad.
yeah,
Even green tea, right?
yeah,
Now green tea also has some people, have similar effects with green tea, right? Suppose I'm having coffee, I might still feel the same way if I drink green tea. Not with everyone. Again, one food can be very different, can act very different with different people,
sure.
right? I have people who I've met who have allergy with lemon, capsicum, right? It's a great food, great.
Mm, mm. Yeah,
People use it in fat loss, people use it for detox, people use it in to give themselves vitamin C, right? Good dose of vitamin
yeah,
C, right? So these all
yeah,
foods are used, but it's different for everyone. So you need to see what is working for you and what is not, right? So I would suggest definitely having a routine, have a balanced diet. Once in a
yeah,
while, moderation is good. Have some healthy snacks at home. So these are some
yeah.
things that I think so you can include in your
I
in
think
your
the other
routine.
takeaway is having healthy snacks at home. Like अगर chips
Absolutely.
पड़ा है तो आप chips खाओगे ही ना? Like where will it go?
Yeah, if you go to your cabinet and the only thing you have is snacks, okay. Honestly, it happens
Yeah,
with everyone, even with me, right? If I want to eat a snack, I look for something, right? If I have only
yeah,
fruits, then definitely I won't have fruits. Next time I'll get some healthy snacks so that I also feel good,
yeah,
right? It's not like very
yeah,
strict, right? It's not like I don't have sugar, right? I have sugar. Why not, right? Once in a while, if
Yeah.
I feel good by having some kind of sugar, I have,
Yeah.
right, a biscuit, a
Yeah.
chips, or anything, X, Y, Z,
Sure.
right? But again, you have to really draw that line. Okay, this is what I need to have. This is what
So,
I, yeah,
yeah. So what is good food and bad food? Because you just called sugar is also okay, and then
yeah,
too much of green tea is bad. So I'm a little
yeah.
confused.
Confused,
So
right?
talk about that.
Okay. Now, when you say good food and bad food, really, you can't really say something is good and bad because that builds a bad relationship with food, correct? And what you need to have is a good relationship with food, right?
Yeah.
By
Yeah.
eating, you only eat something because it makes you feel good,
Yeah.
right? Now, if you eat
Yeah.
something and makes you feel bad, then there's no purpose of eating it,
Yeah.
correct?
True.
So we
True.
don't really have to divide it in two categories, which is good and bad food. It is we'll see food as something which nourishes us, right?
Mm.
It's now see food as food, but also see okay, it is some kind of fuel for us, right? Fuel for our muscles, that is proteins, and definitely fats again, energy
Mm.
source. Carbs
Yeah.
again, great energy source. Then we have micronutrients, right? Then we have fiber. So these are the things, right? Basic, you must have heard these terms, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
what you need to see
Absolutely.
in food, okay, if I'm eating X, suppose I eat 3 meals a day, right? And how I know, okay, I'm eating optimal is by seeing, okay, do I have enough protein, enough fiber, enough micronutrients in a food, right? Now, how to see that, it tends to get confusing. Okay,
Yeah.
how much fiber, how much protein, how much you can definitely calculate it, right? On
Yeah.
apps like Healthify Me, MyFitnessPal, even on Google, right? Whatever you like. But
Yeah.
you have to see, okay, I'm having this much portion of protein, right?
Mm.
Now,
Mm.
protein can be your vegetarian sources like chickpeas, your dairy products, right? Dal,
Yeah.
XYZ, right?
Okay.
Hemp seeds,
Mm.
etc. Then for non-vegetarian, for vegans, again, except dairy, all these, soybeans, then you have your chickpeas, dal. Hemp seed is again great. People really don't
Yeah.
talk about hemp seeds. Hemp parts are great for vegetarians and vegans. And
Sure.
then non-vegetarians, we have meat and seafood. It's again great
Yeah.
source.
Of course.
So how I'll see, okay, this is my plate. I need to have this much of protein. Can be anything, right? If you are a vegetarian,
Yeah.
vegan, non-vegetarian, choose your source. Then a bit of fiber can come from. It can come from definitely it's a vegetarian source. You'll get some kind of fiber from your grains and all, right? Non-vegetarian doesn't
Sure.
have any fiber, so you can go with fruits and vegetables, right? Vegetables are a great
Yeah.
source. Then you will choose some kind of fat. Now in India, we cook our food with love and with some kind of fat. That is coconut
Yeah.
oil, mustard oil, ghee, etc. Right? So you have
Ghee.
all ghee again, right? Great superfood, right? Liquid gold. We call it liquid gold. Yeah.
Yeah, it
So
is.
so then you have some kind of carbs, which again, if you're a vegetarian, you usually get in your this thing. But if you're a non-vegetarian, definitely you need to have some kind of carbs and fiber separately, right? You have
Sure.
to make sure
Sure.
because a lot of time what we tend to do is we tend to have a lot of protein, which is meat and seafood, and we tend to miss out on your veggies, which has micronutrients and some kind of fiber, which helps in digestion.
Yeah.
Well, ahead I'll
Yeah.
tell you why fiber is great for your body, right? Why carbs and fiber is great for your body. Everything is
Yeah.
good for your body, but definitely, fiber, but it's very important.
Yeah.
So this is how you need to see food. Okay, this is what I need every day. These are 3 meals.
Mm.
It needs to be nutrient dense, right?
Mm.
Nutrient dense means it needs to have all the nutrition that my body needs to grow, right? That is
Yeah.
my goal every day. Every day I need to grow, right, into a better
Yeah.
human, into physically from the inside and from the outside, right? So that is our goal. Okay, I need to eat these many nutrients, which is required by my body. Correct.
Mm.
Now, apart from that, then you can go ahead and see, okay, do I need to have a snack? Do I need to have something? Do I really need to? If you are skipping your meals with such things as chips, a lot of biscuits and XYZ, right?
Mm.
I have had friends and people in my college
Yeah.
days who used to put Lays
Yeah.
between. I mean, like college days, everybody has had their time, but I've seen people who used to put Lays inside two
Yeah.
breads, right? Now that Lays good as a snack once in a while, but when
Mm.
you replace it with your meals, now that is something which you don't really need,
True.
right? So
True.
then it becomes unnecessary, right? It's not bad,
Yeah.
right? But you shouldn't
Yeah.
repeat it a lot. Once
Yeah.
in, let's say, 7 days, 10 days, it's all fine. Okay, happened. You
Yeah.
don't have anything at home. If you're a bachelor, you can't really cook. You can't really
Yeah.
cook a meal right now. You need a quick snack. Okay, once in a while, fine, but not regularly. So good and bad, we don't have to really put it like this. What do we need to see it? We need to complete our nutrients that we need throughout the day, and then we can go ahead and think, okay, do we really need this, and then make a decision.
So a little bit of this and a little bit of that is what you are saying. A lot of good and a
A lot
little
of
bit of
good.
bad is fine.
Somewhere around 80, there should be a balance, right? Now life is
Yeah.
all about balance. Its diet
Absolutely.
is supposed to be sustainable. Now, if I give you a strict diet, I tell you, Anukriti, from tomorrow, whatever you like what is your favorite food? Let's not talk about healthy. Let's say unhealthy, something unhealthy, right? What do you
Yeah.
think?
I want to say burgers, but
Yeah.
I want to also be a nice person and say dal chawal, but
Okay.
in reality it's a burger.
Yeah, you still be a good person if you say burger. It's no problem, right? If your favorite food is burger, then why not, right? Now, I would
No, but
say,
when a nutritionist is present, you want to get some like good
no,
points for
no,
yourself.
no brownie, no brownie point. It's all fine. You have to be honest about
Brownie being
it.
the
Dessert with the burger. Now,
yeah,
okay.
dessert to the purpose. Yeah,
Now, what if I tell you, Anukriti, you can have burger every alternate day or twice a week, right? But depends what goes in a burger, right?
yeah,
Something, how the bun is made, right? If you make the same, there are sourdough breads, which are made by just, I'm sure a lot of people have heard about it. Something known as sourdough, right? Which is
yeah,
just your atta or any kind of, let's say any kind of flour that is made with, any grains. They just use natural yeast to ferment it. So that is just like roti, correct? So you need to
yeah,
just figure it out. Once in a while, normal bun also, whatever you get at the shop.
yeah,
Sourdough is not
yeah,
always necessary, right? So
absolutely.
inside that, you put some veggies, right? You put some good
Mm,
healthy dip. You make some chutney
mm,
at home, right? You make a vegetable patty or something like, which is not deep fried, which has some kind of grains, mushroom, etc. Can be a non-vegetarian chicken patty with some lettuce and onions and tomatoes in it. So that can be a good burger, right? And once in a while, if you want to go out, during COVID times, definitely we're not going much out, but
yeah,
the home
in
delivery is
life.
there. Yeah.
Yeah.
So khushi hogi, home delivery is there. So a lot of people are getting a lot of khushia, right? So which is all good. But
Mm,
again, you have it once in a while, which will make your whole dieting or your so dieting is again it not always means diet is just kind of lifestyle that you're following. So it'll make your whole
true.
diet a sustainable diet, which means most of
Absolutely.
the times you're having healthy food. Once in a while, you're indulging in something which is also making you feel happy and also is keeping you
Yeah.
happy, right? Is keeping you satiated, right?
Yeah.
So you won't
Yeah.
get derailed. It won't be like एक दो महीना मैं एक हफ्ता दो हफ्ता मैंने diet follow की, then I'm off my diet because I'm not liking it, right? Which
Yeah.
happens with a lot of people. What if
Yeah.
I tell you
Absolutely.
you can't have burger at all? You'll be like, ठीक है, okay, I'll do it for 1 month, pakka, 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 pakka. Then you'll just keep on procrastinating, and then it doesn't happen. Like I have seen, mostly doesn't happen with a lot of people. A lot of people can do it, but mostly, they can't.
Also, the natural human tendency is कि अभी ये मना किया है तो ये तो
Correct.
खाना ही है. Like
तो
the
अब तो देख
rebel
लो,
in you
अब तो ये इससे ही
wants
बॉडी
to.
बनाएंगे तो फिर yeah, that's so yeah. So again, one more thing is there. When you talk about क्या कहते हैं, I can still eat burgers and I can have a good body, right?
Yeah.
I'm talking about
Yeah.
physical appearance. But what goes
Yeah.
on the inside is what also matters. We usually tend to
Yeah.
overlook that thing, right? You
Yeah.
can be having six-pack ab, but you can at the same time you can be miserable, right?
True.
You might not
True.
feel good about
Absolutely.
something. Your energy levels might be down. Yeah, you
Yeah.
might be having let's say constipation, maybe just because
Yeah.
having protein, not having enough fiber. As I was talking about fiber.
Absolutely.
So there can be so
Hmm.
many things. So you need to
Yeah.
strike a balance.
Basically, good food is good mood. That's
Good food
the
is good
takeaway.
mood. Exactly. I'll be talking about more things like how certain foods lifts your mood, right? I'll be talking
Yeah.
about that. And
Yeah.
people really complicate things. Diet is not supposed to be complicated. If you're having a balanced diet, you're getting all the nutrients that you need. But depends, right? For some like vegans and all, there naturally there's not much B12, right? Vegan as a diet is great, but again, you need to make sure that you're having some kind of B12, right?
Yeah.
B6. You're having those B vitamins, which is usually not present. Like if you think, then you in such diets, you need to see, okay, this is what is not present in my diet, right? A lot of people who can follow vegan diet perfectly, but a lot of people miss out on these things. So you need to see, okay,
Sure.
what is not present in my diet and how I can have it in my diet.
Yeah.
So that way,
Yeah.
you look at it as a whole.
So I wanted to actually take a question because most of
Yeah,
these
sure.
questions are literally like on the comments. Everybody is just complimenting your sense of style and how you look and
Uh,
weight gain के लिए tricks बता दो भैया and all of that is
People are so
happening.
sweet. Yeah.
I know you have like a huge fan following. Um, let's take the first question. Can you please tell how food makes a difference to mental health?
Yeah. So again, how it makes a difference is so many things, right? It's not I can't really say it in one sentence or even can't explain in such a short time. But what I would like to say is, okay, when you say, okay, how food makes a difference to your mental health is by giving it the nutrients that it needs, right?
Sure.
Let's say my diet is deficient in omega-3, which is again, it is your brain is mostly made out of fat, right?
Mm.
Your cells are made out of fat. The outer covering is made out of fat, right? We think,
Wow.
okay, we need to go on a fat loss diet, so no fat at all. That is not a good
Mm.
thing. Good fats, right?
Yeah.
We have heard about good fats and bad fats. So
Mm.
good fat is great for your brain, all right? Now let's talk about inflammation. Happens throughout the body, but also in the mind. Usually we think that inflammation only happens. We think about inflammation. What is inflammation? I don't know. Maybe heating up the body, which is a natural process. You get a cut, all the heat over there, and the blood cells were rushing over there, and inflammation
Sure.
is caused, right?
Yeah.
Similarly, inflammation happens throughout your body, right? Can be due to can be due to free radicals, right? Free radicals happens throughout the body. It's a waste product, right? Which our body basically. So too much of it can cause inflammation. Too much acidic. If your body has too much of acid, right? If you have a lot of acidic food, right?
Yeah.
It also creates a lot of inflammation. That's why we talk about alkaline, which is basically veggies, fruits, all these things, makes your body alkaline, right? Which is
Yeah.
basically balance it. We have heard about
The
basic
pH
and
balance.
alkaline, correct. So that is in our body also, there's supposed to be a balance, right? We can't really say alkaline diet is the best or something is the best. You need to strike a balance. Some places, the acidic medium needs to be high, right? Like stomach and all,
Yeah.
right? When if
Yeah.
your acid goes
Yeah.
down, you have a lot of digestion issues, right? So,
Absolutely.
so I would say omega-3 fatty acid, great for your brain. Veggies and
Yeah.
fruits, great for your brain. B vitamins,
Yeah.
again, great for your brain, right?
Yeah.
Especially B12, B6, folate, great for your brain,
Yeah.
right? Present in a lot of vegetarian sources like pulses, beans, a lot of meat and seafood as well, right?
Yeah.
So I would say have a balanced diet. It would basically help your brain to also detox, right?
Yeah.
Also help your brain to push out all the waste product, which is, because your brain is also having a lot of waste product. So that has been pushed out. So these things helps to keep your mind young, right?
Yeah.
So you
Yeah.
won't be in later in stage, you won't be having diseases, you won't be having degenerative disease where you keep forgetting things. A lot of people,
Of course.
after age,
Alzheimer's.
yeah, lot of these things, there's a lot of food that plays a big role in all of these things.
Yeah.
So you need to
Yeah.
make sure you're having a balanced diet, good fat, carbs, right, which will also keep you happy, right, give you energy as well. Again,
Yeah.
and apart from that, having, foods such as ashwagandha, Indian, right?
Mm.
It's one of the best superfood, easily available, very inexpensive. Brahmi, right? We have heard a lot about it. Brain
Brahmi, yeah.
boosters, right? Helps in cognitive functioning. It's very easy to take, very right. No side effects. Definitely, I would suggest you guys to whoever is planning to start ashwagandha and your Brahmi to consult your doctor, consult someone, right? Your family doctor, XYZ, and just check. Okay, can I have it, and when can I have it? Usually at night is a great option. Tulsi, right?
Yeah, those are some great tips. And like, I know there's like you said, ashwagandha, Brahmi, but my biggest takeaway is eat carbs, they make you happy. So,
Yeah, exactly. There's no bad food. When I say bad food, carbs is absolutely one of the most important thing. I don't put anyone off carbs. I say 1 month, like when I say, transformation, 1 month transformation, 3 months. It's not transformation. It's a progress. When say
It's a progress.
transformation, that means, okay, point A is a point B, year a transformation, right?
Yeah.
3 months transformation, 4 months transformation, 1 year transformation. There's no
Yeah.
cap to it. It's not like everyone is not the same, right? Habits same nahi hoti, body ka structure, body functioning, nothing is the same, right? So you need to make sure, okay, you need to strike a balance. So when I say, transformation, so that happens over the period of time. So it's all about progress, right?
I'm going to take 2 more questions, Digvijay. This one is really cool. And actually, I saw a lot of questions in the comments also about cravings, healthy snack options. This one is specifically for those midnight cravings. I'll
yeah.
answer this. Sleep on time, guys.
Yeah, I mean, midnight
No, but
cravings.
please go ahead.
Definitely, since we're talking about carbs you can eat at night, right?
Oh.
It is, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely, you can eat carbs at night, right? It's not a bad food. Have complex carbs. There are 2 kinds of carbs. One is complex, one is simple, right? Maida feels good. Absolutely. No doubt about it. But later on, it will not make you feel good, right? No fiber.
Yeah.
Your blood sugar goes up, it goes down. So crash, right? You feel lethargic throughout the day, fatigue, and doesn't solve the purpose, right? Whereas
Yeah.
complex carbs will give you a little bit of energy once in a while, right? Slowly,
Yeah,
that
absolutely.
introduction of energy, right? Which is
Yeah.
introduction of your energy, which is being absorbed by your body, right? So I would say
Sure.
something which is like rice is great at night. People say rice, don't have rice.
Yeah.
Have little, why not? Have little, no? Who's
Yeah.
saying to have make a mountain out of it and then make a small pit
Yeah.
and put a dal chawal in that and eat it like that, right? Have little bit. Let's say take a small portion of rice, take a small portion of dal. You can have it. Why not at night? So makhana
Yeah.
is great, right? Makhana
Makhana.
is great. Milk is again great at night, right?
Yeah.
you put some nutmeg, some cinnamon, some elaichi, and you mix it with
Yeah.
the milk. You put some turmeric, and you have it. Right. So that is
Yeah.
again great for midnight cravings. Fills you up, has
Yeah.
protein, has B vitamin as well. Right. Great for sleep as well.
Yeah.
And that's why
I'm
Ayurveda also
loving the
suggests
fact
this.
that you're not asking anybody to not eat anything. So that is honestly something which I'm very appreciative about, because everything is allowed on this meal plan. I love that.
Absolutely. Everything is allowed. You need to just one thing is very important in life, right? In general, right? I'm not a strict.
Yeah. Agreed.
Yeah,
Agreed.
so planning is important. So you plan your day accordingly and see, okay, what I can have at night. If I have cravings, I have makhani at home, great source of calcium, not much of calories, very easy to make, get from the market, put in the oven or put in the kadai, put some salt,
Yeah.
toss it,
Yeah.
right? At the end, want to put some oil like ghee and etc. coconut oil, and you have a great
Yeah.
midnight snack, right?
That's
If you have a healthy meal at night which is satiating, which has some amount of carbs, you won't need a
yeah.
snack, all right?
Yeah.
Then
Sure.
apart from that, yeah, these are the good things that you can have at night.
Okay, that brings us to the closing of the session. I've saved one question for the last, because this has actually cropped up over and over again.
Yeah.
And you know how people are talking about mental health and therapy. And of course, this session was specifically for food. But just as an extension of the mental health, I want to tell everyone that for this kind of mental health conversations and awareness, we have an initiative like Khayal Rakhna. All you have to do is look after yourself, look after your loved ones, and if you are looking for an expert help, an expert consultation, Khayal Rakhna has partnered with Heart It Out, which is a great initiative. It has a lot of great consultants and experts on board, and you can actually go on the Philips microsite. You can tap on the banner, and it will redirect you to book your first therapy session, consultation session, absolutely free. So, guys, go ahead and do that. And that brings me to the end of this session. Digvijay, it was so lovely,
Yeah,
lovely
absolutely.
speaking with you.
I would like to just add few things, right, to all of
Sure.
this, right? I would say plan your meals, right, so that will
Plan
not
your meal.
derail you like throughout your life, like
Yeah.
plan your meals, right? Just know in advance. You can freeze your foods. You can freeze basically your vegetables, right? You can cut your vegetables, freeze it, right? It stays fresh for
Yeah.
longer, right? Plan your meals
Yeah.
that way, right? Make something
Yeah.
in advance if you want. Keep some healthy snacks. Chew your food properly so that it gets digested in your food properly, right?
Yeah.
And a lot of energy is taken by digestion. So make sure
Yeah.
a lot of, so you want to give your body some time to repair as well. So not all energy should
Sure.
be invested in digesting food, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Avoid fruits with your meal, can be 1 hour after or before your meal. And also same thing is with water, right?
Oh, okay,
And
okay, sure.
yeah, so make sure it dilutes the digestive juices, right?
Mm.
Uh,
Mm.
Third thing is avoid too much of processed food because it hinders with your gut biome, which are the microbacteria, right? Which is very
Sure.
much important. You don't want to feed the bad bacteria, which feeds on sugar, processed foods, right? Along with that, don't eat food in front of something which basically excites you, like let's say a thriller movie, a scary movie, right? Don't look at your phone and then eat food. Otherwise, you won't know. Your body sends a signal, right? And it's little late. It's not sudden that you have eaten something. Your body is like, yeah, done, ab ho gaya, right? हम दरवाजा बंद कर रहे हैं, अब और नहीं ले रहे हम अंदर. So your body will keep on taking food, right? So make sure you're not distracted, right? It will take little time. You don't have to start it right away. आज दिग्विजय ने बोला तो रात से यही शुरू, right? मम्मी अब से no TV, nothing. सारे सीरियल बंद देखते समय ऐसा नहीं,
No
मतलब strictly
phones
नहीं.
on the dining table, mummy.
No, yeah. So slowly build these habits. All about building habits, right?
Yeah.
Have high amounts of fruits and vegetables. Great for your gut has a good effect on your brain, right? So
Yeah.
you need to make your gut healthy as well. It's your second brain, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
make sure a lot of fiber, a lot of fruits, right?
Sure.
Fruits will give you antioxidants, and also vegetables will give you antioxidants, which will keep your brain healthy, keep your skin young, right? So you'll also look young, you'll look vibrant. So that'll also make you happy as well, right?
Yeah,
And
yeah,
drink
absolutely.
water, right? Drink water throughout the day, right? Be a water baby. Why not? Right? Be a plant for life. Take at least 2 to 3
Yeah.
liters of water, right? And also, when you take fruits and vegetables, you also get water. So it's a win-win situation. And
Yeah.
I think so. End of the day, don't really have a good relationship with food, right?
Yeah.
Know what is good for you, know what is not that great for you, and then take a decision, right? Everybody's smart, right? Everybody knows what they want in life and what they want out of their diet, right? If, like I would say, a lot of times people need help, right, in how to figure out how to do things can get overwhelming. So take anyone's help, right? Any professional helps, like a nutritionist, somebody who knows about it, right? Even your family and friends might know, how to have good diet and what you need to
Yeah.
have. Again, as you said, great initiative by your Philips and the consultation, right? It's all about khayal rakhna, not only about yourself. So whatever I would
Absolutely.
suggest people, whatever you guys have learned, go ahead and tell your family and friends,
Yeah.
right? Right. Just share whatever you think, right? A lot of times we
Yeah.
see that, like our generation, right? We keep on looking at things on Google and etc. But sometimes, our parents or grandparents, they don't really look at
You have
these things. So they need little help with these things. So we can help them out, right? Not just with
absolutely.
diet and all, but with other things. I would say ख्याल रखना अपना भी और दूसरों का भी, right? It's a win-win
Yeah.
situation. दूसरों का ख्याल रखोगे तब
Yeah.
वो आपको ख्याल रखेंगे, right? You
बिल्कुल
don't have to think that
बिल्कुल
way, but what goes around comes around, right? Spread
absolutely.
positivity. Yeah, spread positivity. It'll come back for sure, right?
Yes.
It's all about
Thank
sowing
you
the good
so
seeds.
Yes, sowing the good seeds. On
Sowing
that
the good
lovely
seeds.
note, I am going to remember that quote. And on that lovely note, thank you so much, and thank you
My
all of you
pleasure.
all
Oh
who
yes,
attended the session.
absolutely. Thank you so much who took out at least half an hour of their valuable, very, very valuable time, right?
Very
And I
valuable.
hope you guys learned something out of it, right? Thank you so much. It was a pleasure to definitely, Anukriti. Thank you so much. Thank you to you, PopXO, Philips, and thank you everyone, uh,
Yeah.
for being such a wonderful audience, right?
Yes,
So
absolutely.
take care, guys.
Okay. Bye, you guys. आप लोग भी ख्याल रखना and take care.
आप भी ख्याल रखना, हम भी ख्याल रखेंगे. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.